Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel in mobile. So if you haven't got the Excel apps, you can find it on Google Store and then install it on your phone or on your mobile, and then I'm going to show you how to use that. So open the Microsoft Excel. So the looks of the apps will look like this, and if you want to add a new file, you can just click on the plus icon at the top right of the apps, and then you can choose whether you want to create a blank workbook, or if you want to use the templates provided by the Microsoft Excel. So if you want to use the template, just click on any of this template and it will automatically open, and then you can just make some adjustments, some editing into your file. But if you want to create a blank workbook, just click on the blank workbook, and then here the blank workbook has been opened. I'm going to, if you want to make some editing, you can just click on the A and pencil icon at the top. Here you'll find the list of the menu. There are home, insert, draw, formulas, data, review, and view menus, and you can just click on any of them. If you want to probably insert, you can just click on this, and formulas and home, like this. So each menu will pop up like this. The list of the menu will, you can just scroll down to for example, if you want to add the border, just click on this, and then you can just uh click on the data like this, and I'm going to add border for example. And then if you want to fill color, just click on this, and if you want to change the color, just click on the arrow and you can choose any color. And if you want to type in, just click on the cells, and you can just type in right away. Okay, so that is basically the how to use the Microsoft Excel in mobile. It's so easy, and I think it is the same as in your laptop or your computer. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.